13. Christ the head. Paul in Colossians 2:10 says of Christians in relation to Jesus Christ, quote, "And ye are complete in him, which is the head of all principality and power." End quote. This sentence has an intensely personal application, although it can't be limited to that. But to consider that personal emphasis first, Paul says that none of us can have true fulfillment apart from Jesus Christ. He is the true and last Adam, and in him we are a new humanity. Our potentialities are only realizable in him. Paul, however, adds that Christ is also the head of all principality and power. That is, he is the only rightful ruler and authority over all things. This means that Jesus Christ is not only Lord over the church, but also all things else. His rule must be recognized by individuals, families, schools, civil governments, all institutions, indeed in every area of life and thought. Because, quote, "All things were made by him, and without him was not anything made that was made." John 1:3. There is no neutral area of life and thought where Christ need not be served. When I leave the church, I don't walk out of Christ's jurisdiction. There is thus no completeness in our lives or in the life of the church, state, schools, and all things else apart from the headship of Jesus Christ. He must reign over us, and only in his government is our peace.